Hi guys! Today in this tutorial we will design this amazing effect in Canva with free version in simple and easy way, so let's start. First choose this Mercedes car image and fill it in full canvas. Now go to Element and type ripped paper. Go to Graphics, choose image as you want. Increase its size and place it like this. Duplicate and place it in another corner. Choose same car image without background and place it in full canvas. Crop it from bottom. Now your design is ready. I hope you liked this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva. Thank you for watching.